Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. This is Lewis. I'm here to give you a tour of our shop here at Prime Tech Support. This Monday motivation. So here is the front. Here's where we take in all our customers and their equipment. And now we're gonna go straight to the back to see what our techs are up to. Okay, so here we have one of our techs working on scheduling our GPUs for the day. Here's our mining rig, which we use to test our GPUs. Here's another tech of ours working on a gaming PC. And now we have our fourth tech working on a Mac Mini. So yeah, go ahead and follow us on our social media and stay tuned. Thank you very much.